Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in Solidworks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like part modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal enclosure design, plastic components design, product design, reverse engineering, simulation, and many more tips and tricks in Solidworks. Hi, today I am going to explain about hexagonal nut. Left side you can see the component, right side the dimensions. So this is the component I am going to create. This is a standard part, and I am going to explain with two different methods. Let's start now. Select the front plane, go to sketch, draw one polygon with 6 sides, that is hexagon. Select this line, make it vertical. So this is 17. So sketch is fully constrained. Go to features, select extruded boss, select mid plane in there for direction 1. And thickness is 7.8. say OK. Now select the top face, go to sketch, draw one circle, select this line and this circle, make it tangent, draw one circle, so this is 26. See here. Now go to extrude cut. Here we can assign any value, so I am going to take 2 mm, and we have to apply taper. See here. So taper angle is 60 degrees. And see OK. See here. So this is for chamfer cutout, and we have to make the other side. So select the mirror command and select the front plane. So features to be mirrored, we have to select this and select the extruded cut. See here. So now I am going to show you other method. Instead of this cut extrude, I am going to show with revolve. So I am suppressing this. Select the right plane, go to sketch, select these two edges and convert entity. See, we have 2 lines. Draw a line connecting these 2 points. See, this value is 1.5, and we have to assign this angle 60 degrees. So we have to mirror this sketch. So draw one vertical line, select mirror entities, select these lines and say OK. See here. Now select the revolve feature. So revolve cutout. See here, we have to draw one horizontal line. See here. Now select this face, go to sketch, draw one circle, this is 10 mm, go to extruded cutout through all and say OK. See, this is the cutout. Now I am going to apply thread command. So since this is M10, so we have to select this edge and we have to select metric tab and we have to select M10 into 1 and see start point it is not able to cut completely, so we have to assign offset. So it is moving the other inside, we have to move outside. See, it had the cutout should be start from outside, that is important, and we can assign any value. So I am going to take 2 mm and here blind value I am going to take 12 mm. See here and say OK. See, this is the thread feature. So this chamfer we can have two methods, the cutout and revolve option, and this is the general practice to create this hexagonal nut. So this is brief about hexagonal nut in Solidworks. Thanks for watching. For more videos on Solidworks, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mechanical Tutorial.